and today we're going to talk about our journey to Alishan. So, now we're going to introduce ourselves. When we introduce ourselves, give us the biggest applause, okay? Let's try once, let's try once, let's try once. My name is Steven, make some noise! I'm Steven, make some noise!
I'm Harry!
I'm Alvin.
Carrying our bags because we have been in Alishan, the people of us. Yeah.
But before we explain you our trip to Alishan, we would like to know if some of you went in a weekend traveling and tell us about your weekend.
So,
Any volunteer?
Yeah. Any volunteer or someone wants to share with us? Yeah.
You can stand up if you want and speak louder.
My name is Tommy, and I went to camping in my weekend.
How did you go in camping?
I went to camping by helicopter.
So, what did you visit in camping?
And what is visit?
Visited, what did you see or what did you do?
I see a lot of tourists.
Of tourists, Chinese tourists?
Yeah.
Chinese. Okay, did you have fun?
Yes.
You went to the beach?
Beach. Yes, I did.
Okay, thank you. Did anyone else go on a trip this weekend? It can be in Kaohsiung, for example, to the Lotus Pond or to the pier too. You stay away? Everybody stayed home this weekend? Okay. Well, we are now going to let Henry talk about our trip to Alishan.
Okay, so hello everyone, Henry. And please turn to the page of worksheet 1. And please listen carefully and answer the question on the worksheet. And later, I will check all the answers. And you will hear some new vocabulary on our conversation. And so, let's start, okay? This weekend, 5 of us went to Alishan. We are going to explain you what we did. Before we go to Alishan, we looked at the schedule and decided to take the bus at 7:45 a.m. And we will arrive to the bus station of Alishan at 9:15 a.m. So the vocabulary you have to know is schedule and bus. Repeat after me. Schedule.
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 And the next one is bus station.
Bus station.
One more time.
Bus station.
Again.
Bus station.
Very good. Next one.
Okay, so in order to get to the top of the mountain, we took a train and we bought a round trip ticket. So the ticket cost 230 NTs and we bought at the counter of the station. So the vocabulary to know is one-way trip ticket. Repeat with me. One-way ticket.
One-way ticket.
Again.
One-way ticket.
Round-trip ticket.
Round-trip ticket.
Again.
Round-trip ticket.
Very well. And counter.
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 Okay. Very well.
And when we arrived
arrived at Alishan, we decided to do a hiking. And also, we asked the tourist office for a map. And then, when we look at the map, we choose to walk on the red path. And the vocabulary you have to know is to do a hike.
To do a hike.
To do a hike.
To do a hike.
And to take a rest.
To take a rest.
To take a rest.
To take a rest.
And ask for a map.
Ask for a map.
Ask for a map.
Ask for a map.
And then, last but not least, we're going back to our hotel. So we're gonna call the taxi, okay? So there are 5 of us, and we pay a total of $350. So you do the math, 350 divided by 5 is 70 per person, right? So it's a bit, and it's pretty cheap when we go back, okay? Oh wait, these are our vocabularies. Please repeat after teacher, okay? Okay, Annie, to call a taxi.
To call a
No, just Annie. To call a taxi.
To call a taxi.
Okay, louder. To call a taxi.
To call a taxi.
Very good. Zico, you're laughing, right? To pay by cash.
To pay by cash.
Louder. To pay by cash.
To pay by cash.
Okay, everyone. Can we pay by cash?
Can we pay by cash?
Very good. When there's a question mark, you have to raise your voice. Okay, one more time. Can we pay by cash?
Can we pay by cash?
Okay, very good.
And then on Sunday, unfortunately, it was our last day of the trip. So we had to go back to Kaohsiung. We decided to take the bus at 11 p.m. But the bus was 10 minutes late. So we asked the driver at what time will we be back to Kaohsiung, and he answered 1 a.m. So it was very late, but we had a lot of fun. But we were a little bit tired for the class on Monday. And now the vocabulary that you need to learn for this section. To go back. To go back. Another way to say it is to return. So to return. To return. We took the last bus. The last bus. Repeat after me. The last bus. You can use it also with a train or car. And finally, the sentence to ask to the bus driver, at what time will we be back to Kaohsiung? Repeat. At what time will we be back to Kaohsiung? Okay.
Okay, so do you finish your worksheet 1? So now I would like to call someone to answer the question. So number 1, Mr. Austin, I would like your help. So number 1, please read the question.
And one time we take the bus to go to
Very good. So your answer is 7:45. Is Oscar right?
Yes.
Very good. So number 2, Tim, please read the question. Is $230? Yes, very good. And next one, I would like Eudora. Please read the question of number 3.
Asking for a map. What is color of the train
We follow.
So which check?
Red.
Red. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. It's red check. Very good. And next one. Any volunteer? Oscar, please call someone next. So Kelly, please read number 4. Question number 4.
To go back to the hotel, we paid $315.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. $350. And the last one, whole class. So read the question.
At what time was the last bus going back to Kaohsiung?
So what time? A or B or C? Oh. A. Yes, very good. 11:30 p.m. Very good.
All right, now, please take out worksheet 13. Okay, it's okay. It's allowed. It's a cool activity actually. So, now read the text and fill in the blanks using the word banks at the bottom of the page, okay? So please take out your vocabulary list. Please take it out. Before we start with this, we have to know every Chinese meaning and the English meaning of the vocab, okay? So please, can you read it slowly? Okay, together, okay? Is it okay? All right, first one, schedule. What is schedule? Eddie, what is schedule? Okay, very good. Second one, bus station.
Bus station.
Okay, what is bus station, Emily? Okay, very good. A ticket.
A ticket.
What is a ticket, Kelly? Okay, very good. And then you can do the rest, like, you read English and you read Chinese, okay? Okay, go. The ticket.
A ticket.
Okay, carry on.
The price. 价格 One way ticket 单程票 Round trip ticket 来回票 The counter 柜台 To do a hike 践行 To take a rest 休息 To call a taxi 叫计程车 We are people 我们有数量的我们可以付现吗 To go back, to return to 回程 The last bus train 末班车 At what time will we get back to 我们几点回地点
Okay, remember, if there's a question mark, you have to raise your voice, okay? Okay, now you have about 4 minutes to finish your worksheet, okay? And then shortly we'll check with you guys. Okay, go.
Try to do it by yourself and not look at the label.
For those of you who have no idea which worksheet it is, it's worksheet 3 actually, okay?
And if you have any question or doubts, just ask.
One more minute. Who is already done? Nobody's done? You are finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is not finished yet? Everybody has done the worksheet? It's complete?
Yes.
Okay. No? Then we can, I'm going to correct it, but what we will do is you are going to read the first sentence, and if there is no words to fill in, then the next one is going to read out the next sentence, and we go. Okay? Read it very well.
Okay. I am Irati, and I am from Spain.
Good. Next sentence.
I had 2 days of holiday, so I decided to go on a trip to the wonderful town of
Sebastian.
Sebastian in the north of Spain.
Very good. Next sentence. Can you hear over there? It's not loud enough. Yeah, okay.
I live in Madrid, so in order to go to Spain, Sebastian, I had to do the train.
Next sentence.
One day before I left, I checked on the internet the train.
So you put schedule. Who put schedule on this sheet of paper? Or worksheet? Everybody? Is it the right answer? Yes. Correct. So the train schedule. Very good. You can start.
The first train was at 6 a.m., but it was too early for me, so I decided to take the 8 a.m. train. Perfect. I arrived 1 hour before the train departure because I still had to buy my train ticket. I went to the counter and asked for a personal
Okay. So who puts counter for the first blank? Nobody? Nobody puts counter for the first blank? You can answer. No? Yes? Maybe? Maybe not? Did you put counter? Yes? Okay. So counter was the right answer. So I went to the counter. And then I asked for the price of, you said one-way ticket. But it's not in the bank. What is the answer? Yeah, that's right. Front trip tickets. Perfect. Next one. Reduction.
So I already had to
No, this is it. And then the next one, do the next one. So pay by cash, everybody has pay by cash?
Yes.
Perfect, and that was the right answer. answer so you can hear. Next sentence. Okay, so I decided to take a rest is the right answer. Everybody has that? Perfect. Next sentence.
The hotel I booked was a little bit far from the train station, so I called a taxi.
Okay, so from the train station is the right answer? Yes. And I call the taxi is also right. Perfect. Next sentence.
In the afternoon, I decided to go to a bike on the mountain.
Dicey, but it's okay. So I decided to do a hike. Everybody has that?
Yes.
Perfect. Next sentence, please.
The next day, I visited the city and somewhere in the city.
Perfect.
It was unfortunately already the time to go back to Madrid.
Okay, so to go back to Madrid, right? Yes. Last one.
I took a cab at
Louder, please. Louder.
I took a cab at 9 p.m. and arrived at 12 p.m. in my flat.
Okay, and the last sentence. Yeah. Okay, well, very well, and I hope you could understand all the vocabulary now. Okay, so now we will move into groups. So each group will have to prepare a trip, and we will divide the first group, this group, with Steven and Marocco, the second group with Henry and Kentin, the third group with Thousand and Tainan, the fourth group with Charlotte and Green Island, and the fifth group with me and Taipei. Okay? Yeah.
So now we have to write down the schedule and then we will present the stage, okay? So, two people in one group, okay? I will divide it into 6 parts. I will, to see this